Bonjour! Welcome to Montreal, the city of 100 steeples, where history and modernity meet. Our first stop is the iconic Notre Dame Basilica, a masterpiece of Gothic Revival architecture and a symbol of Montreal's rich religious heritage. Next, we'll explore the charming streets of Old Montreal, where history comes alive with its cobblestone streets, horse-drawn carriages, and historic buildings. For a taste of Montreal's vibrant nightlife, head to St. Laurent Boulevard, where you'll find a diverse mix of bars, clubs, and restaurants, and historic Chinatown. Take a break from the city's hustle and bustle and enjoy the natural beauty of Mount Royal Park, a peaceful oasis in the heart of Montreal. No visit to Montreal is complete without trying the famous Montreal smoked meat and estiviateur bagels, two culinary delights that are sure to satisfy your taste buds. Plan your trip now and discover all that Montreal has to offer.